Hello, my wonderful people, my beautiful people, my elegant people. This now your girl Diamonique, who brings you just the best, the sweetest gist and analyze it in her own way. Yes, my people. Now your girl this way they making mama proud. My people, wait till again if I not bring una the story for this today. Hey, I miss una. Your girl is back. Yes, my people. Yesterday, I be sorry, say I not be drop a video because I get a running nose. I get cold. Even as I talk, so I hear am from my voice, my nose is run. But I say it's a do or die thing. I'm gonna drop am today. Yes, my people. I say, hey, Papa, and mommy there for house. Una take una chair, una she done. Send some person may go bring una water because this story over too sweet. Una no one just miss the gist. Yes. Hi. I hope say all man get a cock shoe for downstairs. Yes. I say and hope say all man wear small black drawers. Story no go sweet so. Hi my people. I say hey. On Saturday, oh my people, I want just see na mama Talaku, bam. It be post mama Tacha. Now for that see the post so I'll screenshot and put over here. Say mama Tacha don't die. Mama Harrieta Tacha na a social media person where it be a philanthropist. Now a good woman where it don't help so many people out of depression, out of poverty, help them fight for their cases, rape cases, all kind cases. This woman, my people, was a very good woman. It be been a Black Saturday because all place now Mama Harrieta Tacha. You want go for this side, Mama Harrieta Tacha. You want cancel, Mama Harrieta Tacha. Some people they even shame for put a picture because of the way they don't deal with Mama Harrieta Tacha. Yes, my people. Outside baby na Mama Harrieta Tacha a picture. All man they cry. People they demand that woman. Say the woman don't help me. Oh, all can screenshot them for 30 years ago. One them for 15 years ago. They can't dey, my people. I say. When you no go see inside 237 community, I go see all kinds of things. I go see all kinds of things. I say, screenshot the can screenshot them. So they fly all over social media. My mama, it was this to me, blah, 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 blah. I say, you remember I say no. My person go bring us the bikini talk. I put her aside. Yeah? I want turn again. Now the very Mama Harrieta Tacha he account for Facebook, a platform. Person he post for them. I say okay, man, Josh don't cry. Maybe they want just post and for make people they know say the woman don't die. I want turn again. Now that Mama Harrieta Tacha he post where na different profile picture they oh my people as na the year we don't sleep on top bed so different profile picture. Let me say like 18 Mama Harrieta Tacha picture. That means say platform they denounce over Facebook. If you don't know the real Mama Harrieta Tacha platform, now you lost it so. Now you lost it so. 18 as I tell now. They go for people. They go from Mama Harrieta Tacha. May they only follow their platform. May they follow their account. Now which kind of thing this? Now not leave a made woman rest. I want on again on Sunday morning time. Now some person don't post again. Say I have a testimony. I have a testimony. Mama Harrieta Tacha do. Una no go wait. Una no go wait. Why una no fit wait? woman don sick, all kind sick. Una no pray see the kind of way. That way not die. You see life? Una dey see the life? And you just laugh people them for this life because this life no balance. You can't write long testimony. Then the person they na way water platform. No leave and may rest. May people their heart cold. You go post them. I trust Roy Mama. Yes. Roy Mama just wake up here. It time for under day. I beg I don't know me how to read that English. That English over too long, my people. You get no go school. Yes. That English. Yes, you people have yes. I say, Mama Roy. He talk for this sote. No, really. If even na me, I be Roy Mama, I will vex. The woman been a mommy for all them for Facebook. The woman been a their mommy, be like their mommy for Facebook. So they be get for call to this person in attention. Stop for the post. You be the when make the woman die. How una dey so for this 237? Una want more? Maybe they keep call una attention. Una stop for the post for the woman a platform first. Stop for post. Why una don't stop first? Una wait first. Make people your heart cool down. Una fit send now the program of it die. How they want do the die? Una stop all the nonsense. Una they go do the one. Una go create another fake Mama Arieta Tacha. Una leave and make people their heart cold. Una stop them. You no go do una no good. You no go make one more una turn more of a human being. You no go see you na anything. Okay, if they don't go subscribe or they don't go like your Facebook account when a Mama Arieta Tacha, you Facebook give you that money. What you do tam? The money no see finish. Una stop the thing. Una stop am. I want turn again for Facebook. Bam. I want turn again. Bam. Grandiver. You don't give some post on Saturday for evening. Say Mama Atalaku the hype for wash Benjamin. We used to na border head my mom. I don't want to call the border head. You know. Yes, can develop us. Hey, Mama Talako the high for you wash mother hen. I say my people. Man just talk the true talk. Where whether all we will vex or not, na true talk. All we go hide for wash that mother hen. Although me I need wash you. No, I need wash you again. I need wash you because I don't block that account since I don't block that account. I don't go the wash it sometime. So after, I don't want something will go give me headache. My head go ache me for something. I stop for watch that account. That particular platform and stop for go there. Even na Ganda Zemo, even na Atala Peshan Zemo, even na Kobolisti fan Zemo, even na who, all man like Kongosa, all man they go hike wash that woman. People they go hike, more call a spade. All man they go hike wash that woman. Yes, if they don't capture, say, Mama Talaku in name day where he wash the woman for day. It no mean say it insult person or he comment some bad comment. No. Mo no talk so. Mama Talaku the wash the woman. Mo take and say na Mama Talaku before I come for the fake profile stuff. He wash the woman. He no comment, no bad comment. He just watch na watch. He don't turn and say na beehive. No. I can't for talk this morning time say after my serious investigation, that particular account I go put them for here and I go put them for here more like Isiam. That particular account, my people, now a fake account where we implicate Mama Atalaku. Mama Atalaku go watch mother hen. Then I screenshot them. He send am go mother hen for proof wetin. For proof which kind of points, my people. When I begin to see this thing, for proof wetin. Mama Atalaku screenshot am send on mother hen. Then I make people they see and say be the wash mother hen on a how. That account na a fake account. Mama Atalaku na a real account this. Now the other fake account is Okona. Person go create an account with the name Mama Atalaku. Any man fi create account with Nicolo John. Any man fi create account with Roy Mama. Any man fi create account with Lily Blue Pearl. Even with Lady B Billionaire. Any man fi create account with name. So person don't go create account with Mama Atalaku in name. Go just the mess up for them. Now I talk say I can't tell una say that particular account no be na Mama Atalaku get that account. A real account dey, a real account this, and the fake account this. Now one of the BIF they get that account, and with my investigation, I don't struggle and struggle. The particular account come on from Belgium. Mama Atalaku. It come out from Belgium. I should say, others one of that beehive the way they did Belgium. Not them. They create that account. Mama Atalaku. For just implicate me Niveshela go insult them. Nothing that way they want them. Nothing that way they want them. Beehive there una own too much. Una own too much beehive. Yes. I'm not saying they all corner for the way, but una own too much. Una resign no. Why una the cause confusion for all sides? Ha! My people. So now the account this and now the account that. Yesterday I want to so bam for Facebook. I may be first post and say they want restrict, they want block my account. I want to go see Melogis. Melogis. They want block. What see Melogis do now? God, some people are allergic to progress in this world. When I say some people are very, very allergic to progress in this way. But whether una like am or una no like am, progress must be. It's a sure fact now. Especially when they born picking from Bele, it just she don't. You know waka. He go waka. He go talk. That is progress. When you start from a small platform, you must go to a huge platform. My people. They don't go report LOGC account. Say the put one and wait stop them. They are not read and fine. Already do my account too. Una stop the nonsense. Wait una the fight for it be bigger than una. He not do man no nothing. Nothing no go shake that girl for play with day. He go continue with Mitch. Mitch had to continue on my own. Why una go report my account una take all soldier them for the well you see Nicole. I stand gallant my people. I would die for this platform. Would they here? Nothing no go happen for we. We go progress. We go move. Yes, my people. Now my news be that for today. I still remember when I where the ginger. That Moniki. Clap for me.